Hi first graders, welcome to your last sound spelling card video of first grade. Can you believe it? You made it. We're in lesson 29. These are the words that you will see on your pre-test later on today and that you'll take your post-test on Friday. There is also a slide on the website for lesson 30. We won't have time to go over that one together, but if you're looking for a challenge, you can take a look at that sound spelling pattern and those spelling words so you can work on this week if you want to. You don't have to. It's a very challenging one. But if you'd like an extra challenge, you can take a look at lesson 30, which is down below on our website. But for this week, lesson 29, we are working on 3 suffixes. Remember that suffixes are parts of words that go at the end of the word to change the meaning a little bit. So we've got 3 new ones. If you look at our screen here, the first suffix is the suffix full, and it means full of. So we'll practice some words that have that suffix. The second one is ly, and when you hear ly at the end of a word, that it means that it's like that base word. And then the third suffix is e. It's going to be a y at the end of a longer word, so it's got the sound e from the eagle card. You've learned that, but now we're going to practice using it as a suffix, and that suffix could mean either one, full of or like. So you hear some words that have that suffix, some more examples coming up. We're going to start with full. Full is probably the easiest one that you're going to work on this week, so we'll do that one first. The first word we're going to practice is the word cupful. You might need a cupful of flour in a recipe. So in the word cupful, you'll have the base word, which is cup, and then the suffix full. So the base word cup, up, and then the suffix full, full, cupful. Pretty simple, right? The second example that we're going to practice is the word restful. If you have a restful sleep, it's full of rest. You're able to rest fully. So restful, the base word is rest, rest, and then add our suffix, full, restful. The third one for this suffix that we're going to practice is the word joyful. If you're feeling joyful, you're full of joy. So the base word is joy, oi, and you learn that oi sounds with the boy sound spelling card. So our base word joy with the suffix full, joyful. There you go, pretty straightforward. The second suffix that we're going to work on is this suffix ly. So the first example is the word slowly. If someone is moving slowly, it's moving, you're moving like you are slow. Slowly, so the base word slow, O from the ocean card is spelled like that, and then you add the suffix ly. Slowly. You don't have to do anything to the base word to add these suffixes. The second example that we're going to work on is the opposite of slowly, which is quickly. So the base word quick, quick, and then you add the suffix ly, quickly. The third example is the word safely. Safely. If you're moving safely, you're moving like you were very safe. So the base word is safe, safe. With that bossy E at the end, we're going to leave it alone, base word safe, and then add the suffix ly. So you don't have to change anything about the base words when you're adding these suffixes. Finally, we've got our suffix e, which could mean either full of or like. The first example is a challenging one. It's the word pointy. Pointy. So if you've got an object that is pointy, it's got a point, it's like a point. So the base word is point, oi, there's that oi sound again with the other spelling, point, and then our suffix e, pointy. The second example that we're going to work on describes some of you. The word is tricky, tricky. So the base word is trick, trick, and then the suffix e, just like that. And then the third example we're going to work on is the word cloudy, cloudy. So then the base word is cloud, cloud, base word cloud, and the suffix e, cloudy. So there you have it. That's our spelling pattern for the week. If you'd like some more practice, you could take a look in your practice book on pages 182 or 183. Good luck on your spelling pretest later. Don't forget, after you take your spelling pretest, either paper and pencil or on Spelling City, you can send me a picture, let me know what score you got, and then also let me know what your goal is for Friday. This will be your last spelling pretest and spelling post-test of first grade, so good luck, do your best, I believe in you, and I'll see you later at our Zoom meeting. Bye!